So next, number 4, an autocyclone with a 7 to 1 compression ratio. So 7 to 1, which means 7 lang yan, has a 320 BTU per pound of heat supply, which is yung new QA natin. At the beginning of the compression, so nasa 0.1 sila. Compression process, the pressure and temperature, so P1 and T1 yan. Meron tayong 14.7 PSIA and 60 degree Fahrenheit na i-add natin sa 460 degree Rankine para maging 520 degree Rankine. Assuming constant specific heat, calculate the following. So, kakalculate natin yung peak temperature, which is yung T3, peak pressure, P3, net work, which is yung work net nga, the thermal efficiency, yung so, first, kailangan muna natin makuha yung mga kailangan natin. Yung P2, T2, volume 1, volume 2, para makuha natin yung T3, P3, work net, and efficiency. First, kukuha natin yung volume 1. Gagamit tayo ng PVMRT na formula na cross-multiply natin. Magiging MRT over P yung formula. Then substitute yung 1 kasi wala tayong given na mass. Then 53.35 feet pound force per pound mass degree Rankine na value ng R natin. Depende pa yan sa unit. Then, meron tayong 520 na temperature 1 over 14.7 pound force per inches squared. Then, i-convert natin siya. I-convert natin yung inches to feet squared para magtugma yung mga ano natin, mga units. Then, so substitute ay input sa calculator, then meron tayong 13.106 cubic feet. Then, in getting the P1 and T2 naman, first is P1, meron tayong P1, V1 raised to K minus P2, V2 raised to K. Then, cross multiplication na P2 equivalent sa P1 multiply by RK raised to K, yung V1 over V2. Then, substitute yung P1, RK, at saka yung K. Yung K natin is 1.4, di ba nga, sabi ko number 3, yung RK is magiging, yung K natin is 1.4 kung walang sinabi yung problem, yung pinaka-constant pala. Then yung T2 natin, yung P2 natin, substitute, put lang sa calculator, is 224.107 PSIA. Then sa temperature 2 naman is T2, T1, T2 over V1, V2 raised to 1 minus K. Then V1 over T2 equivalent to RK. Then T1 over T1 na may 520 degree Rankine over temperature 2 equivalent sa 7 raised to 1 minus 1.4. So, para cross multiplication lang to, pero shift solve yung ginawa ko. Then T2 is 1,132.511 degree Rankine. Then, sa pagkuha ng temperature 3 natin, gagamit tayo ng formula ng QA, which is yung heat added. QA equivalent sa MCV delta T. So, may given na tayo ng QA, which is yung 320 BTU. Yes, 320 yun. 320 BTU per pound mass multiplied by 1 times 171. Why 171? Yan nga yung constant value ng CB pag wala tayong given mass. Yung unit yan is BTU per pound mass degree Rankine. Then, temperature 3 yung kinukuha natin, equivalent sa 132.511 degree Rankine. So, shift solve lang sa calculator, then makakuha tayo ng 3,003.856 degree Rankine. Then, yun na yung T3 natin. Then, for P3 naman, gagamit tayo formula na P2, T2, equivalent sa P3, T3 over T3. Substitute sa P2, T2, then T3. Then, shift solve lang, meron tayong P3 na value na 594.418 PSIA. So, next, meron tayong efficiency. For getting the efficiency naman, may formula tayo na 1 minus 1 over RK raised to K minus 1. Then, substitute the value of K and RK So 1 1 minus 1 over 7 raised to 1.4 minus 1. So efficiency natin is thermal efficiency natin equivalent siya sa 0.541 times 100 equivalent siya sa 51.1%. So for getting the work net, meron tayong formula na efficiency, which is work net equivalent siya sa over QA. Then substitute lang yung efficiency na 0.51, 0.541 equivalent sa work net over 320 BTU per pound mass. So meron tayong value ng work net na 173.12 BTU pound mass.